Hey guys, welcome back to another passion project. It is episode 12, and today we are making sushi.
With avocados.
We are making a crab roll and a shrimp roll. We need 1 cup of rice.
What if I could do a split?
I don't know. You probably hurt your groin.
Ooh, nice.
Alright, that's in the microwave.
Ah, so close to being in.
Can you get me out a bake pan?
Or bigger.
That might be good actually. Yeah, that would be good for the shrimp that we have. There's the sauce. These are our boom boom shrimp. This is the sauce that goes on top of the boom boom shrimp. You toss the sauce on the shrimp and then you are the boss.
A sploosh.
There we go. So that'll do its thing while the shrimp are cooking. And then also on top of the rice rolls, I want to drizzle the sauce to make it look nice.
What are you putting these in?
Oh, I'm so glad you asked. We are putting them in right now.
10 times strong, right? I have the power.
It's not up to temperature yet, but I'm tired of waiting. The rice is almost done. That has to sit in there for 14 minutes. But after 8 minutes, we gotta flip them for the chicken.
The chicken!
For the shrimp.
Chicken.
Ow, ow, hot. Is there a cucumber? We'll probably only use like this much of it. I don't want to waste it. Okay, do you want to cut the avocado?
Yeah.
Don't cut your finger, please. Might not be ripe yet. This thing is going all over the place.
The seeds are right here. It said they see me rolling.
Oh, time's up.
Scared me. What?
That'd be good. Getting pretty crispy. Some of our artificial crab. Alright, that's cut.
What's your sign yourself?
Hot. Okay. Okay.
Is it hot?
Not really with the water on my hands. I hope it sticks enough though.
Don't you gotta cut the shrimp? I meant the crab. Where's the shrimp one? Some crack.
Ooh, that actually fits perfect. Cucumber. Wait, that's a good piece. Should I do 2 things of crab or just 1? 1. And then some avocado.
Oh,
That's a good piece. Yeah.
probably won't, but it will.
Probably won't.
We're good. I think he needed more rice.
Should I go back?
It's okay, just keep on.
This is a practice roll, I guess.
It cracked.
It what?
Cracked on this side a little bit.
Oh no, that was from the hole.
Hey, that I did good.
Oh wait, that's supposed to be wet.
Why is it supposed to be wet?
I think it sticks or something. And there's the insides.
Is it? Well, actually, looks pretty darn
It
good.
doesn't look half bad. Not bad for our first roll. That's what they look like. Next, we're gonna do a spicy crab roll. This time I'm gonna add a lot more stuff in it. Like 2 crabs. Because last time, it just wasn't enough.
What is that?
Sriracha.
But I have some avocado.
Avocado from Mexico.
It's good.
Are y'all gonna eat all this?
We're gonna try. We don't really know if we're gonna yet.
Can I try one?
Yeah. So we know what's inside of it.
Push it. Yeah, those like.
Alright. No, we're gonna all wait to be a family and eat together.
I just want to
Is
try
this what we're
it.
having for dinner?
What else are we eating?
I don't know.
What's behind you?
Shrimp. We're making shrimp.
We're making shrimp rolls too.
What if this didn't turn out good?
Well, then I'm gonna eat it, and it's whatever you want night. So you just figure it out yourself. Save some for the second roll too.
Oh, just kidding.
We can make more.
No, I don't want to make more. You did not just spill.
No, it was open.
Yeah, that's how we got the rice.
You're so funny.
It's all open.
You come over and then spill the rice.
Then you spilled the beans. Jeez, it's everywhere. Well,
Is it?
Pick it up.
Oh my gosh. Come on, dude. Big sisters, what can you do with them? Yes, these are the Boom Boom shrimp rolls.
What happens is
You can put a lot of shrimp in there. Like, there we go. Some like more texture to it. Now you can add your cucumber.
I didn't waste your rice, just a whole cup of it.
All right.
Pretty much.
And then this is where the sauce comes in.
I didn't put this on yet.
It's fine.
No.
Oh, that one got all sorts
Guys,
of
we have
jacked
to
up.
eat it. I mean,
No, that's fine. That one's, I
gotta
don't
cut the
know.
ends off from it.
No.
It's like, this is like a taco burrito thing. Okay, that one has some kick, so the next one's gonna be real spicy.
No, I'm not. Use it. Don't do that. Oh, y'all do.
We have 3 avocados, but none of them are right.
We had to heat this one up. 35.29.
The moment of truth. Can he roll it?
So much pressure. The sauce is getting on your fingers.
That's all right. It's just not
It's
cutting.
the tools.
Called in the reinforcements. She used to work at a sushi place. I know, but I figured it would give you some credibility to cut our sushi.
This is all of our sushi today. Options. Not too much because it is spicy. Yeah.
So I will say this,
Looks good.
it looks like sushi.
That's all right. We want is that one's a everything roll.
Mm-hmm.
That one's a crab roll. That one's
This
a
is a
Spicy
deluxe
crab
roll.
roll.
yeah
the
deluxe.
Deluxe
We're
roll.
we're
Spicy
up
crab roll.
we're upcharging for that one.
Spicy shrimp roll.
I don't know, just eat one.
I do want to try that one.
Good. Should I turn it to the better side?
That's
the
not
better
the better
rolls?
side.
That looks